Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE350 that we have for sale. This features a nice silky smooth 3.5 liter V6 pumping out a little over 300 horsepower. And that's matched to Mercedes' proprietary 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, great for the wet slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The GLE is a mid-size luxury crossover. It's kind of like the Goldilocks, not too small like a compact, not gigantic. Like the GLS, which is Mercedes-Benz full-size SUV. The GLE is just kind of right in the sweet spot as far as size and practicality goes, and obviously luxury amenities. This is a full-on luxury vehicle. The way it handles, the way it drives is very quiet on the inside. This thing is designed to pamper you and be comfortable and quiet for your daily commute or wherever you and your family happen to go. This has a really nice upscale interior. We have a moonroof, lovely wood trim. This one has a navigation system. It also has a park assist package as well. So we have this nice overhead camera. We have a rear parking camera as well. Great for low speed maneuvering. These are very helpful because with the blind spots, the B and C pillars, the headrests, it can be kind of tough maneuvering. So having that round view camera is a big help. Nice leather up steering wheel. You have steering wheel paddle shifters to take control of the 7/4 gears. This one has 59,781 miles at the time of making this video. Pretty low mileage for 2017. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. So it's 2024, so a lot of these have a lot higher miles. This is a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We took it on trade. Some of our nicest premium vehicles coming on trade. This GLE350 is no exception. If you like music, you'll enjoy the Harman Kardon audio system. We have a blind spot warning, memory seats. I like how the seat controls are right here on the door where it's easy to see. Everyone else seems to put the seat controls on the side, which is kind of hard because, I mean, you really can't see what's going on. You're kind of fumbling around looking for the seat controls, where right here it's just in plain sight, which is really nice. Great color combination in white on black. White's such an easy color combination. White's such an easy color to take care of. Surface imperfections, scratches, which inevitably are going to show up on cars as the years and miles roll along, don't seem to be quite as obvious on white. Versus black, where everything seems to show up, especially in direct sunlight. And the paint and the condition of this vehicle is excellent. The headlights are crystal clear. Sometimes in the older vehicles, the headlight, the plastic over the headlights can get foggy and discolored. This one is not at all. No visible stone or rock chips on the hood. There's a fantastic 3.5 liter V6. It's a workhorse engine for Mercedes. They put that in a wide variety of their vehicles. Also, the alloy wheels look like they're in great shapes. No scuffs or scratches. Plenty of tread in the tires. This thing's in beautiful shape. I'd definitely say this is an above average condition for a 2017 vehicle. Definitely was well cared for. No third row seat available on the GLE. It's only available in a 2-row configuration. Third row seat would be kind of a tight squeeze in this anyways. We have rear climate control. Nice spacious second row accommodations. This one has a tow hitch, and then we have the integrated exhaust finishers into the rear bumper for a nice clean look. Of course, we're going to have a power rear tailgate, or lift gate I should say. Lots of cargo space back here. This is where the spare tire resides, as you can see. We have a cargo area cover to keep things out of prying eyes. This one's easily removable too, so you can fold down those rear seats for even more cargo space. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler, so over a mobile delivery service, this beautiful 2017 GLE350 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. One, beautiful, affordable, relatively affordable at this current price point. Mid-size luxury SUV is still in excellent condition. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.